Hi guys, so graduation for my daughter is finally over. She walked the stage and we had her party yesterday. She had, I think, the best time and everyone raved about the decor. I don't even know if I'm gonna put pictures or what I'm gonna do, but yeah, you guys know kind of how I am. Sometimes I'm okay with sharing stuff, and sometimes sometimes when I get to editing, I'm in a different mood. I'm like, no, I don't want to share. It's just so hard because it's the internet, you know? And I just come from a generation where there wasn't video footage of, everything. Anyway, so today is Sunday and I am gonna go to my daughter's best friend's graduation. So this is the girl who she's rooming with and I am so excited. She's been like a daughter to me, and so I'm gonna go to her party. I'm gonna show you guys my outfit though, because I love my outfit. So here it is. As you can obviously see, the top is see-through and it is from SHEIN, so I'll link it down below for you guys, but I still love it. Like, I don't mind that it's kind of see-through. At first I thought about tucking it in, but because I'm wearing high-waisted jeans, I think that the tuck-in looks a little odd. I feel like if I had like regular jeans at my hip, the tuck wouldn't be so high. It'd be kind of like right here and it would look cute. So I'm just leaving it out, and I love the little feminine detail here. So I love that. And I'm actually wearing jewelry. The only reason why I kind of don't, or why you don't normally see me wear jewelry, is honestly because I forget to put it on. I need to fix my watch because it's kind of sideways. But I'll just show you what I got going on. So here's my little stack, and I actually need to, I think the time is right. No, actually it's behind. I need to spring forward, so I haven't even adjusted this watch. But I got the watch, I think, at SHEIN, and then just little pearl bracelets, and then these little bangles or whatever you call them with the pink, and then the pearls. And I like it because it matches my shoes, which I got from Just Fab. I just love how springtime, even a little bit of summertime, that they look, and they have that blue satin with the pink and the floral, so I really like that. These high-waisted jeans I think are from Forever 21, I think is where I got these. If they still have them, I'll link them down below for you guys too. And I just have pearls on. This is second day hair, and I'm getting ready to go. I did make my bed, I cleaned my room. The house was a train wreck from the party yesterday, so I was exhausted from being up at 5 o'clock because our graduation was in the morning. So I was exhausted, so I only did like minimal cleaning last night in the kitchen, but I finally was able to sweep a vacuum through here this morning and make my bed, which hasn't been made in a couple of days. So I feel like my life is slowly coming around to being normal again. Okay, so soccer's on TV. This was when my brother was over and he put on ESPN because, girl, you know if it were up to us ladies, this would never be on TV. I did put my fireplace back to rights. And then here are all the flowers that she got. Those are from me. Those are from her grandma's. And orange is her favorite color, so. And as you can see, the kitchen island has been made to rights. That's just her uniform because it was displaying up there. But as you can see, the table back there has been put to rights. And that's all she wrote, ladies. I'm gonna go to the party now. And I'm back from my daughter's friend's graduation party. I feel like I'm awkward vlogging right now. I'm sorry about that. And I've taken off my shoes, so I'm gonna go ahead and get those put back in my closet. I had to have a clear purse for the ceremony venue, just because we're not allowed to bring in normal purses, so I'm basically just tidying up. There's that. And then this I actually keep up in there. Have you guys seen my organization of this closet? It's Dollar Tree. So I will link that video if you're interested in seeing how I organized. Anyway, actually it's 5 o'clock now, and the day's over. And I've been on a I Love Lucy kick. You guys know I do things in waves. And I'm on an I Love Lucy wave. Sometimes it's Frasier, it's Golden Girls. But my waves right now are I Love Lucy, Mr. Mom, and Under the Tuscan Sun. So it's basically like on repeat, like a broken record. So that's going down. I'm just trying to figure out what I'm doing for dinner. I feel like because my life is a little like crazy right now, cooking has been, it's been a stretch. It's been a little bit unrealistic for me to just be making meals all the time. I think it's really a mental exhaustion rather than this physical. Yes, do I have the time to make dinner? Yes, but mentally I'm just like, I can't get myself to I dare you. Actually YouTube could demonetize my video for this. I noticed that they were trying to do that when I was doing my cleaning video in my craft room and I had Frasier playing on in the background. When I uploaded the video, because I was trying to do a combination of sounds. I was trying to have you guys hear just like the natural sounds of me cleaning, but then a little bit of a music overlay. But then when I uploaded that, YouTube was like, so I never realized that now they're starting to demonetize videos, not just for music. 'Cause I thought it only used to be music, but now it's for TV shows and things like that too. But I will show you guys her cap and gown. Here it is right here. I don't know what I'm gonna do with it. Do you guys have any suggestions? What people do with this? I feel like I've never seen what people do with this. Do they just hang it up, put it away in a closet? But here's her little tassel, has 19. I just finished watching The Bachelorette. Really, I truly did not think I was going to watch this season, but I'm watching the season. And I have to say, the guys on this one, there are a lot of good-looking guys. The one that's named Tyler, what up? He makes my heart beat. Anyway, it's nighttime, as you can see. I'm closing all the blinds. It's about 9 o'clock. It's a little early for me to be doing this, but I just kind of want to get in my bed, you know? I'm ready to be in my bed. play Mr. Mom on Netflix?
Getting Mr. Mom from Netflix.
Domino's pizza and two for 1 cent pure frozen entree. How about that?
Whoa. Serious poker. Any of you ever tried those Sun Pure frozen entrees? Oh, my dog wouldn't eat them.